Hi, I am Dr. J. Suresh Gaud, Associate Professor in Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, we are going to discuss about problems on sampling distribution. Before going to discuss this sampling distribution problems, in the previous session, we have discussed the mean, variance and SD of the population. Similarly, the mean, variance and SD of the sampling distribution. Now, the problems consists of these 6 parts: the mean of the population, variance of the population, standard deviation of the population, similarly, mean of the sampling distribution, variance of the sampling distribution, and the standard deviation of the sampling distribution. The problem consists of a population consists of 5 numbers. That means population size is 5, capital N equal to 5. That 5 values are given: 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. That means x1 equal to 2, capital X1, x2 equal to 3, x3 equal to 6, x4 equal to 8, x5 equal to 11. 5 populations. Size is 5. Now, consider all possible samples of size 2. Sample size is 2. We have to consider different populations with size 2, which can be drawn with replacement case. With replacement. In the problem mentioned that either it may be without replacement or with replacement. But in the first problem mentioned that with replacement from this population. Find all these 6. See, first 3. If you observe in the problem, first 3 is mean, variance and SD of the population. Mean means mean of the population symbol mu we should find out. The variance of the population sigma square we should find out. And the standard deviation of the population sigma. These 3. Next, the mean of the sampling distribution mu x bar and variance of the sampling distribution sigma square x bar and standard deviation of the sampling distribution sigma x bar. These first 3 related to population and second 3 related to the sampling distribution. First, we are going to find out the first 3 parts: mean, variance and standard deviation of the population. See, capital N equal to 5 is given, small n equal to 2 and all x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 given. So, what is the first problem? Mean of the population symbol, mean means average, sigma xi by n. First x1, 2. 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 by 5. 30 by 5, 6. The first part of the problem completed. Mean we got it of the population 6. Similarly, variance of the population formula, the symbol is sigma square, sigma xi minus x bar whole square by n. By n means 5. Xi, first value x1, 2, x2, x3, 6, x4, 8, x5, 11. Xi minus x bar, x1, I equal to 1. If you take x1 minus x bar, x1 is 2. 2 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square plus 6 minus 6 whole square and so on. If we simplify, we are going to get sigma square, variance of the population 10.8. And SD sigma, which is under root of sigma square under root of 10.8, which is equal to 3.29. So we got it mean, variance and sigma, standard deviation of population we got it. The first 3 problems We got it. So first three we got it. The mean of the population, variance of the population, standard deviation of the population. Got it. Before going to find out the mean of the sampling distribution and variance of the sampling distribution and also SD of the sampling distribution, first we have to define what is sampling distribution. In the problem mentioned that sampling with replacement. Problem consists of sampling with replacement, means we are replacing while choosing the samples. That means never ended, which is called as infinite population. For infinite population or with replacement, we know that we can draw n power n samples. Capital N is 5, small n is 2. 25 samples we can draw in with replacement course for population size 5 and sample size is 2. Now we have to write all these 25 samples. See, 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. These are the populations x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. I want to choose samples with size 2 with replacement. See, 2. We can replace 2, 2 because we replace 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. 2 over. Next starts with 3. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Next 6, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6, 8, 6, 11. 6 over. Next 8 starts from 2. 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 6, 8, 8, 8, 11. 8 over. Next 11 starts from 2. 11, 2, 11, 3, 11, 6, 11, 8, 11, 11. Total 25 samples with size 2. This size is 2 and this size is also 2. This size is also 2. This size is also 2. Like that, this size also 2. Like that, we have chosen 25 samples. 25 samples with size 2 for with replacement case. The way of choosing the samples is with replacement. After getting all these 25 samples, we need to find out mean of each sample. That means mean of all the samples. We need to choose mean of all the samples. This is the first sample, x1. Its mean 2 plus 2 by 2, 2. That means this is x1 bar. Where x1 is the first sample, its mean is x1 bar. Similarly, second sample, x2, 2, 3. Its mean 2.5. This is x2 bar. Similarly, 2, 6, average 4, x3 bar, x4 bar. Like that. Last one, coming to last one, 11, 11, average is 11, xn bar. N is 25 samples are there. X25 bar. Now, see, again I am repeating the total number of samples with replacement formula, capital N power small n. So, 25 samples I written with size 2 and we done mean of all 25 samples. So, we got it. Now, x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar and so on, xn bar, where n equal to 25. All samples mean we got it. Based on this data, we are going to find out now mean of the sampling distribution, variance of the sampling distribution and standard deviation of the sampling distribution. According to these values or based on these values, x1 bar, x2 bar, x3 bar up to x25 bar, we can find out mean, average of this and variance SD. So, the mean of the sampling distribution, we know that mu x bar 1 by n power n, because with replacement sigma xi bar, where 1 by n power n is 25. Xi bar means x1 bar plus x2 bar plus x3 bar and so on, x25 bar. x1 bar, mean of the first sample, mean of the second sample, mean of the third sample. In the previous slide we got it 2, 2.5, 4 like that. So 2, 2.5, 4 and so on up to 25 sample means 11 by 25, 6 we got it. Mu x bar also 6. And in this problem, the first part is mean of the population, also we got it 6. So both are same. So mu equal to mu x bar. Now the variance of the sampling distribution formula 1 by n power n sigma xi minus mu x bar whole square. Sigma xi bar minus mu x bar whole square. Where xi bar, in the previous slide if you go to xi bar 2 minus 6 whole square plus 2.5 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square and 11 minus 6 whole square by 25. If we simplify, we are going to get 5.40. So variance of sampling distribution 5.40. The standard deviation sigma x bar equal to root sigma square x bar, which is 2.32 under root of sigma square x bar. So these three we are going to find out after getting mean of all the samples. After getting mean of all the samples. The first point is, first we have to identify the problem consists of with replacement or without replacement. With replacement means n power n, or without replacement means NCN. After identifying how many samples, we should write all the samples. After getting all the samples, we have to calculate mean of all the samples. Based on the mean of all the samples, we can find these three: mean of the sampling distribution, variance of the sampling distribution, and standard deviation of the sampling distribution. This is the problem. Now coming to the second problem, same concept, but here a small change. The population consists of 5 members, same, capital N equal to 5 with x1, 2, x2, 3, x3, 6, x4, 8 and x5, 11. Consider all possible samples of size 2 only, but which can be drawn without replacement. In the problem, first problem, we have drawn with replacement from the population, but here we are going to choose the samples without replacement. Even though we can find out all these 6, mean, variance, SD of the population and mean, variance, SD of the sampling distribution. The first 3 are same like problem 1. See, given capital N equal to 5, small n equal to 2, the mean of the population is average of all the 5 populations, which is 6. And variance sigma square capital Xi minus x bar whole square, if we simplify, we are going to get 10.8 and SD is 3.29. So mean, variance and standard deviation of population we calculated. In with replacement or without replacement, there is no change to find mean, variance and SD. But to find mean, variance and SD of the sampling distribution, first we have to choose how many samples we can draw in without replacement case. See, sampling without replacement means finite population. The formula is NCN. That means capital N 5 C2. 5C2. 10 samples we can draw. In without replacement, the first problem consists of with replacement. We have chosen 25 samples. There we used n power n formula, but here without replacement NCN. So actually the populations are 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. In with replacement 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. 3, 2, 3, 3 like that. But here without replacements mean not repeated. 2, 3 starts with 2, 2, 3, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. That's it, not 2, 2. Now coming to 3. 3, 2 is also not considered because without replacement case. 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Next starts with 6. 6, 8, 6, 11. Next starts with 8, 8, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that, total 10 samples. This is the process to choose the samples without replacement. In the first problem, with replacement, we repeated 2, 2, 3, 3, or 3, 2. Again, we have written. But here, if you write 2, 3, no need to write 3, 2. There we have written 2, 2. Here we don't write 2, 2. Not repeated. That's why which is known as without replacement. So we got it totally 10 samples because I used the formula NCN. This is the first sample X1, second sample X2, third sample X3, fourth sample X4 and so on, 10th sample X10. After getting the samples, we should find out mean of all the samples. The first 2, 3 sample mean 2.5 because 2 plus 3 by 2. 2, 6 sample mean 2 plus 6 by 2, 4. Means the first one is X1 bar, first mean sample. Second sample mean X2 bar. Third sample mean X3 bar. 8, 2 by 2, 5. 11, 2. 11 plus 2 how much? 13 by 2, 5, 6.5. 3, 6 sample, its mean is 9 by 2, 4.5. 3, 8, 11 by 2, 5.5. 3, 11, 7, 14 by 2, 7. And 6, 8, 14 by 2, 7. 6, 11, 17 by 2, 8.5. 11, 8, 19 by 2, 9.5. So X1 bar to X10 bars. Based on this mean of all the samples, we are going to find out remaining 3. What are the remaining 3? Mu x bar, sigma square x bar and sigma x bar. Mean variance SD of the sampling distribution we should find out. The mean of the sampling distribution formula 1 by NCN. Here 1 by NCN because without replacement sum. So in the previous slide, we have all the means of samples x 2.5 plus 4 plus 5 and so on plus 9.5 by 10. If we simplify, we are going to get 6. And in this problem also, the mean of the population 6 we got it and mean of the sampling distribution 6 also got. Both are same as we have discussed in the previous session. And the variance formula sigma square x bar 1 by NCN. Because here NCN we have taken, in the first problem we have taken n power n because there we have chosen the samples with replacement case. Here we are going to choose the samples without replacement case. Sigma xi bar minus mu x bar, where mu x bar equal to 6. 2.5 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 6 whole square and so on. 9.5 minus 6 whole square by 10. 4.05. So the standard deviation of the sampling distribution sigma x bar, which is under root of sigma square x bar, under root of 4.05, which is 2.01. Therefore, we have to solve the problems on sampling distribution like this. One is with replacement and second one is without replacement. With replacement means n power n samples. Without replace means NCN samples. So like this, we should find out mean variance SD. SD means standard deviation of the population. Similarly, mean variance SD of the sampling distribution. And remember that mean of the population is always equal to mean of the sampling distribution. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.